Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
सबको मालूम है केरला गॉड्स ओन कंट्री, मगर आजकल क्या हो रही है? वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग इन केरला is cause for severe concern. There's just no law and order. I can go on elaborating on the number of things which are going against the law and order of a peaceful, beautiful state like Kerala. So, if I go on saying about law and order, violence, enga parthanam violence, not God's own country, if violence is constantly here. Is this God's own country? I asked the Chief Minister, is this God's own country, or is this the CPM violent culture which is spread in West Bengal? You're doing it here for several years. ये नहीं चलेगा. God's own country अभी fundamentalist own country बनने जा रही है. I am afraid to say this. God's own country is now gradually becoming fundamentalist own country, and the government is not worried because वो एक alliance में है, नहीं भी है, backhanded alliance with SDPI, so no fundamentalist misbehavior will be questioned. भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय. Corruption, another list I can give you, but I will only name 3 which are very recent. Kerala budget was prepared, Kerala budget was presented, but it was given only to one particular, all money is given to one Kifbi. I don't know what budget making is when it can all be given only to one Kifbi. Kerala Infrastructure Investment Fund Board. What is this organization? We also make budget in the union government. We don't give all the money to one particular agency and say, ठीक है, देखते हैं. CAG, Controller and Auditor General, has commented on that, has criticized that. Total questionable operation. If this is budget making, no wonder Kerala is going into a debt trap. And this is a questionable affair. Corruption. Second corruption, the deep sea overseas agreement which they did with EMCC, worth 5,000 crore. You do it with some foreign company, and then you say there will be 2 motherships and then about 400 trawlers. Who will get the trawlers? Who are these parties? Why is this agreement with somebody outside without the government people knowing about it?